Dash, we start with daily chart. Just want to give a quick update. First of all, as we can see based on daily chart, right now the price is within this correction. And we want to see how deep it can go. If we get one more drop, we can expect the price drop to at least 174.8. Okay, now the only thing is whether the price is going to drop or not. Since we have this movement, most of the chart they have a similar movement. Okay, and beside that, can we consider this one turn to a into running flat? If we're looking at this chart in this way, even we can expect the price to break 174.8. Okay, but as I mentioned, since most of the chart they have the similar movement at this stage, we're looking at if there is one more drop, at least we look for 174.8. Then if there is any changes, there will be, I will give it the update. And I want to see how we can look for trade. Okay, and again, if we move to based on forward chart, we can look at this one in this way as a 1 2 3. This is what we can look for, and this is in relative to this, and we can expect at least to get one move up. And then from there, we want to see whether the price can break 220, and can we expect, can we look for continuation, or we get one more drop as I explained based on daily chart. Because if we get one move up, then the price drop, then any reversal from there, it can give us a really good trade. But we need to see well after we get the one move up, whether the price can break 220 or not. Okay, because technically we can consider this one as a correction relative to this for one more drop. But I explained, since most of the chart they have a similar movement, because some of mostly they follow the Bitcoin, even we can expect the price reverse from here. That means we don't need to wait for one more drop before we get the reversal. Anyway, as I explained, right now, if you get any opportunity for buy within the correction, we can look. I mean, we will take a trade, and at this is the time we are not really interested to look for sell. Okay, for me, this is what I'm thinking. And if I move to 1 hour chart, almost the price near to the previous low, and since the price haven't retest the previous low, I mean what I mean the previous low, which is 194.9, we cannot refer to the indicators as a divergence. But the best thing is, if it give us one more drop with the breakout of the previous low, then we will see the divergence. Then any reversal as a sharp move flag, we will take it. This is the best I'm looking for. And if I get any trade setup, then I will give the update, because right now the price haven't retested the previous low. But as I mentioned, if the price drop with the breakout of the previous low, any reversal, this is the best option I'm looking for. But since the price haven't retest the previous low, then how about if the price continue from here? In that case, also we're looking for the sharp move flag similar to what we get here. As you can see here, also the price didn't retest the previous low, and even we had a divergence, we get this move. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy with the retesting the previous low, also similar to what we have here, also we will take the trade. And for that, the target will be 208.7, and with the breakout of those 208.7, we're looking for 212.6. All right, but as I mentioned, for me, I prefer to see the confirmation for the breakout of the previous low, then from there I take the trade. And buying or selling at these times is not really good. That's why I mentioned, if we want to look for buy, at least we need to get any reversal as a short move flag, at least similar to what we have here. And how about if the price drop from here? Can we put our entry below this for sell? As I mentioned, I'm not really interested to look for sell, and it's not a really good trade at this. I mean, it's not a really good trade setup for sell at this time. Anyway, we are more interested to look for buy. I mentioned how we can look for next trade. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.